We'll guide you through how to create an AI agent using ChatGPT. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the OpenAI website and log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the API section from the main dashboard. Here, you'll find the option to create a new API key, which you'll need for your AI agent. Click on Generate API Key, and make sure to copy it and keep it safe, as you'll need it later. Now, open your preferred code editor on your desktop. You'll want to start by installing the OpenAI Python package if you haven't already. You can do this easily by running the command pip install OpenAI in your terminal. With the package installed, open a new file and import the OpenAI library at the top. Then, set up your API key by adding OpenAI.API key and assigning it the key you copied earlier. Next, you'll define a function for your AI agent. Within this function, you'll use the OpenAI.ChatCompletion.create method. This is where the magic happens. You'll need to specify the model you wish to use, such as GPT-3.5 Turbo, and provide the input prompts for your agent, which will guide it on how to respond. For example, you can set the system message to provide context and the user message to simulate a conversation starter. Once you've set up your prompts, you can run the function and see how your AI agent generates responses based on the input. Remember to experiment with different prompts and settings to fine-tune your AI's behavior. When you're satisfied, you can integrate this AI agent into larger applications, whether it's a chatbot for your website or a virtual assistant. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.